Day 3 hair is the best hair, period. Period. Day 3 hair is the best hair. Hey guys, my name is Lauren and this is my channel, Naturally Lori. If you're new, hey. And if you're not new, you know you've been here, welcome back. Be sure to hit that subscribe button while you're here watching this face of mine. But yeah, stay tuned, keep watching to see how I got this beautiful Day 3 hair. Just how I refreshed it. You will see. You will see. But yeah, like I said in the intro, Day 3 hair. Day 3 hair is the best hair. Period. Period. So yeah, keep watching to see how I just refreshed this look, this bomb. Like, keep watching. Good morning, y'all. I don't know if it's morning when y'all watching it, but it's morning when I'm recording it. And I'm just gonna refresh my hair. This is Day 3 hair, and I'm just gonna refresh it for y'all real quick. When it was wash day, I did use both of these conditioners by Shea Moisture. This is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil conditioner, and then this one is the raw shea butter conditioner. I did use both of these on wash day to get this look, and my curl is still really defined 3 days later, and I haven't done nothing special. I haven't even slept in a bonnet, just been pineappling. Okay, so as you can see, it pretty much fell in place. Let's see. Okay, but y'all see what it look like right now. Okay, so I'm finna just really, I'm not gonna wet any part of my hair except like the nape of my neck. I know that is frizzy. And right here, basically I'm spraying where my hair was pineappled at. Okay, so I'm gonna be quiet now. I know I've talked a little bit, but I'm gonna be quiet now and just do a voiceover from here on out, so I can get through with this quickly because I do gotta go to class. Okay, so now I'm just spraying like the center of my head, because since that is where my pineapple was sitting, my hair was a bit frizzy right there. And now I'm just gonna take some gel on my finger and just gel down this side of mine, and then I'm going to take my rat tail comb and kind of straighten out my part just a little bit, and then continue to sleek down that part, sleek down that side. And now I'm going to just use this little clip to clip up that side, and actually it didn't work well with just the clip, so I actually did go and get some one bobby pin to try to help keeping that side up, because it wasn't doing it. But I did get it done, and I thought it was cute, so that's what I'm doing now. And now I'm finna wet this little front section and put some gel on it and just sleek it down a little bit, just to help the look a little neater, because I can't have that one sleek side and then have the next side of the part looking a frizzy mess. So I just fixed it. And this is me just trying to tighten up this little section with that bobby pin, like I told y'all earlier. And after I fixed that, I just went ahead and went over those front 2 sleek sections, and then got some water and just kind of spritzed the little curls in the front, because those were a little frizzy. And now it's time for the best part, the edges. I think y'all know how I do it by now, but basically I just put a little gel on my toothbrush and just begin to brush out my baby hairs, and then from there I just continue to do a swoop type of motion and use my fingers to kind of hold the hair so I can make that effect. Just using your finger makes everything easier, but that's pretty much exactly how I do it for all my little swoops. But I do plan on, well, no I don't, if y'all want, I will upload a video simply based on baby hairs, but yeah, this is just how I did it for this little wash and go. And from this point on, it's pretty much just trying to get the little hairs, get my hair where I want it. You'll see me looking in the mirror in my hallway right now, just trying to see how the back look. I'm going to fluff, move some curls around, and just try to get it how I want. Fluffing doesn't do much with my hair, but you know, why not? It did a little something, I guess, but that's pretty much all I'm doing now. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna go and put on my earrings and, you know, just put on my little bit of jewelry I'm wearing, and I'll be right back. Well, hold up. I gotta fix this curl. Okay, now I'm gonna go and put on my earrings and my little bit of jewelry, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I didn't put on jewelry. I was gonna put on necklaces and stuff. I just put on my earrings and my shoes. But yeah, this is my hair. The color is popping though. And I posted a video. This ain't got nothing to do with my hair today, but I did post a video over a year ago of me dyeing my hair. So the color you see at the ends is the dye, and this is like the year of new growth, just by the way. But yeah. But yeah, y'all, that is the look. This is third day here, and I did use those two Shea Moisture conditioners. And yeah, this is my first time recording and uploading in over a month. So I'm sorry that I haven't uploaded. I'm sorry. But I do want to start uploading more. I didn't even record me doing this wash and go, and I should have. Although it was simple. Like, y'all know my wash and go would be extremely simple. But yeah, y'all, that's it for this video. I promise to upload more, but yeah, be sure to comment down below, like this video, you know, give it a thumbs up for your girl. Subscribe to my channel because I need you. I need you too. So just do that for me. Okay. And yeah, share the video with a friend as well. And yeah, just do that. Bye.